Okay, so here we are in the terrace, and we have all the equipment we need for this peculiar repotting. What do we need? We need basically, of course, the fern, which needs to be repotted. Not only it leaves stuck on the trees, but also you see there are some damaged leaves because this was the part that was stuck at the wall. So some leaves got broken and I really don't like it, so it needs a new home. Then we need moss, we need some wire. I use organic wire and you'll see why. And then maybe also some needles and the hammer. Okay, so let's start the repotting. I remove firstly the hook here because I do not like plastic hooks, plastic pots. I do not like them. So I like more a natural feeling. So we'll remove everything. It's pretty tough, but we'll get there. Okay. You will see more the plant than me, because that's what I need to show you. You really don't need to see me, but you need to see the plant. And this here is not a good sign, because the brown leaves have basically covered all the... I'll need to cut one of these things of the... 1 second. And whoop, gone. Okay, so I'll proceed being very careful. I'm slightly worried. The plant is I do not want to damage it. Oh no, goodness. It's so delicate as an operation, because the plant tried to adapt herself to this spot, which was not ideal for her. I do not know why they put it here, but like super gently I'm going to remove this horrible thing from her. Very well. That's a tough thing to do. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it a little flatter, because here it has so much soil, so I want it to start adapting to the new wood, and I want her to be grabbed there, not anywhere else. So very gently I'm removing the soil, not all of it, but some of the soil, so it will still get nutrients. Okay. Okay, I think that is absolutely enough. And with the moss, I'm going to wrap her all around. It's on the wood, just for your information. Okay. So basically the moss will keep her soil humid. And now we need to wrap everything and keep everything in place with this thing. I love hearing the birds singing. It gives me a lot of joy. So 1 knot, and then all around because this will be what is going to keep everything in place. Sorry, the noise of the okay. I'll tie another knot. Like this. Okay, now it's not fixed to the wood, so I will need to find a way to wrap her very tightly to the wood, so when I hang it on the wall it will not fall. So I go under the wood. I'm lifting the wood here, making sure I'm not pinching the leaves, and where I'm going to all the way around. Okay, here I'll pass it under this once again. It doesn't seem too tidy, but I'll get there eventually, don't worry about it. We will make it, so I'll put it also a bit horizontally, so I know if it's going to slide down or not. Okay, here, and also it's going to be fixed here. Okay, and I would say I probably need some scissors now. No, it's not fixed correctly. I'm trying to avoid using needles because I don't want to ruin the wood if possible. Because when it's going to stabilize and grab to the wood, it will not need all this anymore, so it will only remain stuck on the wood. No, it's still not really stable. I want it to be absolutely stable before I hang it on the wall, because I don't want to find a nice surprise at the end of everything where the plant eventually falls and I'll ruin everything. It's probably going all the way here, and also leaves. So I try to see if it's enough. Maybe. Let's check. Would this stay if I put it like this? Yeah. Fantastic, I think. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick it on the wall, and when I need to water it, very careful with the leaves, when I need to water it, I'm just going to put it in the shower and pour some water on her. I'm not going to do it now because the soil, her soil is right now very moist, so it doesn't really need much water, but I can still spray some water on the leaves, just like this, and so to keep her fresh. So if you liked this video, please give it a like, and I would love to see you subscribed. And if you want to receive many more updates on future videos, and you want to know when I'm issuing a new video, feel free to click the bell button so you'll receive a notification on your phone. I wish you a very nice day, and I hope this video was useful to make you grow your fern at best. Have a nice day. Ciao!